Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Most welcome to Triangular Kamal Academy. Today I am going to discuss one of the most important topics for the students of class 9 and 10, which is algebraic expressions, and the content name is partial fractions. The last few contents we have already done, method number 1, 2 and 3. Today I am going to discuss the another method, which is number 4 as far as our textbook. So now method number 4, we see here the question number 4 in 11, activity number 5 and the example number 28, and we can do 3 maths by using this method which going to be discussed now. And now first condition is, and you have to know when we will apply this method and what is the requirement. Just only one requirement, quadratic form of a factor but not repeating term. Okay, let's explain this one. What is the quadratic form? We know standard formula of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. So basically this one is the quadratic form. So we see here this one is x square plus 4. That means the bx is absent, but we see here x square, then last one, and we see here also x square plus 4. But in activity number 5, if we give attention, 1 minus x cube. 1 minus x cube means 1 cube minus x cube. So you can write here 1 minus x, 1 square plus 1 multiply x plus x square. So finally you will get here x square. That means there is also hidden quadratic form. So that's why number 4 in 11, activity number 5 and example number 28, all you can do, and you can see here the quadratic form of a factors but not repeating. That means there is no like x minus 1 or x square, like this is square, there is no repeating, or x square, x cube, or the factor to the power 3, 4 like this. So that's why only quadratic form but not repeating terms, like we don't see here like this one or like x cube. So there is only quadratic form but not repeating. So now give attention to the number 4 in 11. This one is given here, x square minus 4x minus 7 divided by x plus 1 and x square plus 4, and this is number 11, and this is the 4 as far as our textbook. Now this is the formula for the quadratic equation. You have to write here first a divided by the normal factor, and then formula for squaring, or the formula for the quadratic form, you have to write here bx and plus c, then divided by x square plus 4, and this is number 1. So just we applied here bx plus c for x square. If we see here x square term, that is quadratic form, you have to apply here bx plus c. So now do as like as previous one. Multiplying 1 by x plus 1 and x square plus 4, we get okay, after doing multiplication we will get x square minus 4x minus 7 equivalent a x square plus 4 and plus bx plus c, we will get here x plus 1 bx plus x plus, this is number 2. which is true for all values of x. Right here, which is true for all values of x. Now put putting x equal, considering this one equals to 0, so x equal -1 into we get. Okay, apply the value x equal -1, so this one will be 1, -1 is equals to 1, minus plus 4, then -7, this one will be -7, and -1, so this one will be a multiply with 5, because -1 is equals to +1, 4, and there will be 0, so 0 multiply this one, 0. So you can write here like, or -2 equal 5a, or a equal -2 by 5. Finally get one value. Now do simple calculation in 2. Now from 2 we get, just do this one as a standard form of the polynomial equation. Just find the just form it, the coefficient of x square, coefficient of x cube, and the coefficient of x, then constant parts. So write here x square minus 4x minus 7, and this one will be ax square plus a4. Do multiply here, bx multiply with x plus 1, so bx square plus bx, and then cx plus c. Now a plus b is the coefficient of x square, then b plus c is the coefficient of x, and 4a plus c is constant part. Now coefficient of x square equals to 1. The coefficient of x, b plus c equal -4, and the constant part 4a plus c equal -7. If we compare the both sides, so you can write equating coefficient on both side we get here, so write the coefficient of x square, a plus b equals to 1, a plus b equals to 1, or a equals to -2 by 5, so -2 by 5 plus b equals to 1, or b equals to 1 plus 2 by 5 equal to 7 by 5. Again the coefficient of x, b plus c, the coefficient of x equal -4, so apply the value of b equal 7 by 5 plus c equal -4, so you can write here c equals to -4, and then this one shifted to left side to right side minus, then taking minus common, 7 by 5. So now this one will be 5 as LCM, this one will be 27. So value of c. So now just putting the value of a, b, c in equation 1, you will get your final answer. Now putting the value of a, b and c in 1, we get here our fraction is x square minus 4x minus 7 divided by x plus 1, and this one is x square plus 4 equals to a by, so a equal -2 by 5, so -2 by 5 divided by x plus 1, then b bx, so value of b equals to 7 by 5x bx plus c, so plus minus minus 27 by 5 divided by x square plus 4, and which is our required partial fraction, and this is our final answer. Activity number 5, which is given here like 1 by 1 minus x cube. So first we can write here 1 by 1 cube minus x cube, or we can write here 1 by 1 minus x and 1 square plus x square. That is, now what we see here, x square plus x plus 1, that is the ax square plus bx plus c. So one factor is in quadratic form, so we can apply this one as a method number 4. So consider here as a, now let 1 by 1 minus x plus, 1 by 1 minus x, 1 by 1 minus x one by 1 1 plus x square. So let this one equal a by the first one 1 minus x plus bx plus c divided by 1 plus x square. For quadratic form we have to write here bx plus c, and this is number 1. Now multiplying 1 by 1 minus x 1 plus x plus x square, 1 plus x square, this one will be 1 equal, this one will be 1 equal a 1 plus x square plus bx plus c divided by 1 minus x. This is number 2, which is true for all values of x. Now putting and considering the first one, like x equal, if you consider here x minus 1 equals to 0, so 1 equals to x, so x equals to 1. Putting x equals to 1 in 2, we get, so we get here 1 equals to, this one will be a value of 1, so finally this one will be 3, and this part will be 0. So a equal, or we can write here a equal 1 by 3. Just now find the equation number 2 in standard quadratic equation or standard polynomial. Just do multiply and find the common. So from from 2 we get 1 equal a plus ax square plus, now do multiply bx, multiply with, so bx minus bx square, then plus c minus cx. Just now taking the common here, a minus b, is the coefficient of x square, and then a plus b minus c is the coefficient of x, the coefficient a, and then minus a plus b minus c, and the constant part here a and here c. So a plus c are constant parts. This is the only constant parts 1. So you can write a plus c equals to 1. The coefficient of x square is absent. So you can write here a plus a minus b equals to 0. A plus b minus c equals to also 0, where there is no any term of x square or x. So equating coefficient on both side. So a minus b will be 0, like here if a minus b equals 0, a equal 1/3. So 1/3 minus b equals 0, or 1/3 equal b, which is the value of b. Again a plus b plus c. Again a plus b minus c equals 0. The coefficient of x square here is absent. So we see only one. So now a equal 1/3. 1/3 plus 1/3. So minus c equals to 0, or 2/3 equals to c. So now putting the value of a, b and c in 1, we will get our final answer. Now putting the value of a, b and c in 1, we get here 1 by 1 minus x cube equal the first a by 1 minus x. So a equals to 1/3 divided by 1 minus x plus bx, bx plus c. So b equal 1/3. 1/3 x, then plus c. The value of c is plus 2/3 divided by 1 plus x plus x square, and which is our required partial fraction. This is our answer. So again give attention. We see here x cube, but applying the formula finally we will get this one factor is a like quadratic form. And when you see here the quadratic form, we have to write here bx plus c. Like if there are 3 factors, then it will be dx plus e or ex plus f. Then doing the calculation as previous method, just multiplying with the denominators, and then just considering here the first factor x 1 minus x equal to 0, then you will get the value of x equal to 1. Applying this one, you will get a equals to 1/3. And then equation number 2, just do simple calculation and arrange the all terms like as a standard form of the polynomial equation, the coefficient of x square, coefficient of x, and the constant part. Then compare with the both sides. There is only constant part, no term of x square and x. So if you compare or equating the both sides, so a minus b will be 0 and a plus b minus c will be 0, because there is no coefficient of x, and only constant part a plus c equals to 0. So already considering or comparing the first and 2 coefficient, we get our 2 unknown quantity v equals to 1/3, c equals to 2/3. Where now finally applying the value of a, b, c in equation number 1, you will get the final result of the partial fractions, so which is our required answer. Thank you very much to enjoy this tutorial. Hope see you again in the next tutorial. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.